Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Silent Cause Tarot. I'm Nini, and right now I'm going to be getting the energy for the sign of Aquarius. This is part 2 for the sign of Aquarius. I'm using this tarot deck. I'll be using playing cards as well as a Rubik's Cube. Okay, we're just cleansing the energy. So as I'm coming into this energy, I just hear breathe, breathe, breathe. So maybe someone is having a baby, needs to take a breath, needs to take a break, needs to just breathe. Okay, Spirit, show us what the sign of Aquarius needs to see. Y'all doing too much. Okay, let's. Spirit, please show us what the sign of Aquarius needs to see. Please show us and show us clearly what the sign of Aquarius needs to see. Please, Spirit, show us what the sign of Aquarius needs to see and show us clearly. Thank you. Okay, so I'm seeing where there is talk, gossip about something that did not work out. There's gossip about something that did not work out. Okay, can you clarify this for me, please, Spirit? Yeah, something that did not work out. Pertaining to someone being with someone else, or yeah, this is relationship. I've been getting a lot of relationship stuff. Okay, yeah, someone is gossiping about how a relationship did not work out after secrets were brought out. Secrets came to the light. Okay, Spirit, what else do we need to see? What else do we need to see, Spirit? Okay, I'm seeing where someone is blocking their stability because of listening to what other people have to say about them or about their situation. Okay, one person thinks that their situation is divinely guided, but they're listening to other people. And other people are telling them that it's an attachment, persuading them not to, let's see, not to do what? Spirit, not to do what? Not to marry someone, not to be in a relationship with someone, not to commit to someone, not to seek their own happiness. But someone isn't listening. Someone isn't listening to what other people have to say, and they're going after what they want. They're coming in with communication of stability. I see someone wants to have a child with someone. Or maybe they have a child with someone. Okay, what is this, Spirit? Okay, and someone doesn't want a new start with someone that has been playing them. I see a lot of lies, confusion. If someone isn't nurturing a situation and okay, they're not nurturing this situation. Why, Spirit? And why is this King of Cups here? Please, Spirit, show me clearly and help me to understand. Okay, someone is emotional. Yeah, okay, someone doesn't want to start, doesn't want to invest in this situation anymore because they feel as the other person cannot offer them the emotions that they want. And they're thinking about this. They're thinking about this union. They're thinking about ending this union. They're trying to make a decision on whether or not to end this. Because this person is no longer seeing where this offer is stable. And they're seeing where either they don't have control over this anymore, or the person that they're dealing with does not have control, because they don't have control over their finances nor their surroundings. Yeah, this person feels like it's justice to just leave this situation alone. Okay, is there anything else that we need to know, Spirit, for the sign of Aquarius? Is there anything else that we need to know? Okay, someone is coming in passionate, with passionate truths. What is this, Spirit? Passionate truths about what? Someone is in love with you, and they did not tell you that they were in love with you, but now they want to tell you. They're going to communicate this to you because they want to build something with you. And they've made a decision. They've made a decision to come to you with this truth. Because what they were in and what they were offering did not bring them happiness. Okay, this person was not moving towards you, because this person was moving towards other options, and this person was not offering you emotions. They were closed off, and the offer that they made to you, it brought conflict, having you in your head about things. Yeah, you were confused about this offer because it was in and out. One moment this person wanted you, one moment this person did not want you. So you didn't know whether this was a new beginning or not. So someone either wants this new beginning or someone does not want this new beginning. Okay, Spirit, show me what you need to see. Please, Spirit, show us what we need to see. I don't know what that was. Okay, I'm seeing where someone is not going to offer to this situation because they feel like their happiness can be obtained elsewhere. And they want to change in their dynamic. They change their view on love. What love is. That's what I'm hearing. Yeah, this person is going after their money and balancing things out in their life because they already know the truth. That's what I hear. They already know the truth about this player, about this person that was not offering them what they wanted. There's an ending here. There's an ending here. But there is still someone wanting to give you something. They want to give you something. They want to give you something to help you to become a star. They want to help you to become a star. To become a star. Coming with some money or something. Okay, yeah, they want to give you something to help you to become a star because they realize that they they were not your wish fulfillment, but they still don't want to put death to this situation. They still want to try to offer you love. Yeah, this person is working on themselves. Yeah, this person is working on themselves and building themselves back up, but they still want to offer to you, even though somebody doesn't want to offer and someone does. And someone is building themselves up to be able to offer. I'm guessing finances. Yeah, finances. I'm hearing money, casino, the casino machines. So someone may be going to the casino soon. Okay, Spirit, what else do we need to see? Okay, I'm going to go to this because I looked up here. Spirit, show me what I need to see for the sign of Aquarius. Please show me what we need to see for the sign of Aquarius. Please, Spirit. Okay, I'm being shown a lighthouse. A lighthouse. It's just a lighthouse. And I'm hearing shown. Lighthouse shown. Okay, I'm seeing where a love offer is being turned down because of some truth. And someone is putting their emotions into their work now that this truth has come out. Someone is putting their all into their work. I hear healing. Healing needs to be done. Yeah, and that healing will balance you out because you have new love coming in. Someone honest is what I hear. Someone honest coming in. Let's try this deck. Okay, Spirit, show me something that the sign of Aquarius needs to see. Please, Spirit, show me something that the sign of Aquarius needs to see. Okay, can you clarify these for me, please, Spirit? Okay, I'm hearing you can have love and money too. Yeah, and this, yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what this is. You can have love and money too. You can have love and money too. So, okay, that's just going to be the end of this. You can have love and money too. So, breathe and know that you can have love and money too. I ask you to like, subscribe, share, comment, and take the energies that Spirit gives to you. If they are not for you, leave them and just enjoy. Thank you.